Hi everyone, this is Felicia back with my early fall living room tour. I will do another one later on in the fall. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. I will tell you where the items came from at the end of the video. Let's get started. Okay, love, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a breakdown of what I have going on in my living room. So many of you may have already seen my entryway table video. I did a collaboration with Design Fun with Michelle and explained where all these items came from. So I'll just briefly go over the items again. So the wall sconces came from Amazon. I'll place the link below. The wall art came from Pier 1 for a few years, so you may not be able to get your hands on that. The candles came from Z Gallery. The napkin rings came from Z Gallery. The owls and the lanterns came from Z Gallery. Everything else came from Home Goods except for the pumpkin. The pumpkin here is a DIY by myself. So, and my entryway table itself came from Rooms to Go, but I will be placing a link below just in case someone is interested in purchasing this entryway table, because Wayfair has the same entryway table for a fraction of the cost, plus shipping is free. So I'll leave the link below for this particular entryway table. I also have an end table that matched this entryway table. So, and the little wall socket that you see at the back came from Walmart. I love that because it hides the eye socket. So, oh, the pumpkins. The white pumpkins came from Burlington, and forgot, coffee table books came from an Etsy shop called Artful Library. And my ginger jar, this is the hugest ginger jar ever. This was a splurge for me, you guys. It came from Home Goods, and my mirror box at the bottom also came from Home Goods. So moving on, I'm going to start over here on this side. So this mirror actually came from Z Gallery. I've had it for about a year now. The lamps came from Z Gallery. I was so blessed to get those when Z Gallery was going out of business. So I think I love, well actually I know I love these lamps. So these are some candles that came from eFavormart. I so love them. If you notice, they have string lights around them. They actually run by the 3 AAA batteries, and a set I think it's like $19.99. The candle holder here also came from eFavormart. You can get a set for like about 20 bucks or less. And the cerulean pumpkins came from Home Goods. My end tables came from Rooms to Go, as well as my coffee table here. So here I have a few pillows, actually 2 pillows and a throw. The pillow came from, actually all these pillows came from Home Goods, and the throw came from Z Gallery. The actual box at the bottom here came from Home Goods. So moving along, oh, my picture frame at the bottom came from Z Gallery. My coach came from Target, and that's at the back. It was it was a set, I think. No, it wasn't a set. So this particular throw here came from Z Gallery. This pillow here came from Z Gallery. The Thankful pillow came from Home Goods. And my couch actually came with the Tootsie Roll pillows, or the lumbar pillows here. And my couch actually came from Rooms to Go. Got a really good price for it. I love it. Over on this side is the exact same thing on the other side, except for this little box here that has the coasters One set of these coasters came from Etsy and the other set came from Wayfair. So I'll place the link below on where each one of these came from. And the little tie bags here came from Amazon. I'll place the link below for these. Okay, then I have another bigger frame down there with my mom in it. Also came from Z Gallery. So moving right along to this side of the wall, the wall art that you see in the back here actually came from Pier 1 many years, maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. And some of these picks in here, like the stretchy ones, came from Z Gallery. The wood ones here that's easy to break, these are rubber. And these are wood. They came from Home Goods. And these dark teal looking string straws here came from Ross. It was like a whole set for like 14 bucks. And I wanted to add some color over on this wall, so I threw those in that vase. This vase came from Z Gallery, and what I've done here is I've just added one of those curtain tie backs to here just to give it a little more spunk. And this particular side table here came from Z Gallery. I was able to get that on clearance as well when it was going out of business. And if you notice, it matches my entryway table. So I love that. So I wish that I could find another one of those, because I would take these end tables and put them in my family room, and I would just use these end tables in here. But then again, it may not go so well with the big lamps. I may need to leave those tables in here. So let's talk about these curtains. I am loving these curtains. Why? Because they're ombre here. So let me see if I can show you. So yeah, so they start off at the bottom as gray, and then they work their way up as white. Let me take this loose. This is kind of hard to take loose. Okay. So yeah, so they're ombre. They start at the bottom as gray, and then they work their way up to be white. And what I did here is I have a set of white shears here, and this is the ombre gray, and then this is the sheer here. So that's what I have going on with the curtains, and I'll place the link below to these shears. Now all of my shears came from Amazon, so I'll place the link below to all of these. So I placed my tie backs back on the curtain here. So now let's move on to the chair. So the chair came from Pier 1, and the pillow, this is one of my Starburst pillows here. My husband bought me those pillows, a set of pillows like this for Mother's Day. And this this knotted pillow here came from At Home. It was like $12.99 or $14.99. And the area rug that I have on my floor came from Ross. And the little teal faux fur rug came from Burlington. And coffee table was a set with the end tables. It was like a really good price for like $4.99 for all three, when I've seen this coffee table for $9.99 just by itself. The pumpkins that you see on the bottom shelf came from Z Gallery. The leaf came from Home Goods. The acorns came from At Home. No, Hobby Lobby. Those are Hobby Lobby acorns. They're so cute. The sparkly pumpkins came from Home Goods last year for the holidays. Tray from Home Goods. These gray florals here came from Z Gallery, as well as the white florals came from Z Gallery. And this, I have a pumpkin stuffed in here. That's so cute, isn't it? And then this is actually a trash can that came from Home Goods. Okay, my wall art came from Home Goods. And the two sconces on the side came from Z Gallery. Candles actually came from At Home, if I'm not mistaken. So this pretty much sums up my living room and what I have going on here. Now this is an early fall tour. So what that means is I will be doing another tour, probably 2 more tours in here, because I'm going to be changing things around and just playing around with things as I normally do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.